Kami po ang Gensan Aggressive Skaters or GAS. GAS. Ang gamit po namin ay aggressive inline skates, more commonly known as rollerblades. We thrash around the city or skate from one place to another, and we sometimes do spots, which is, nagpa-practice kami ng tricks sa authorized places like skate parks. Ang problema, wala pang skate parks dito sa Gensan, so most of the time yung park lang talaga ginagamit namin. We would be happy kung magkakaroon ng skate park dito so we can skate safer. At saka, sana magkaroon ng skate shops para makabili kami ng proper gear para mas safe yung pag-skate ng growing community namin. Well, we are inviting you, kung gusto ninyong sumali sa amin, it is a free sport. It's a very healthy sport. It burns 600 calories for every 45 minutes na nagsiskate ka. Well, we would like to be able to help you in any way we can. So just connect with us. We have a Facebook account, facebook.com/brptg, and you can follow us on Twitter at Gensan AG Skaters. And you can also email us at gensanaggressive@gmail.com. Skate, not war.